Hello friends, let's discuss a case of mucormycosis prosthetic rehabilitation today. This case is quite unique in its own way because it's been done using 3D printing technology. So enjoy the video and keep watching. As we all know how rapidly mucormycosis cases were rising in India, especially during the second and the third wave. So this is one of the cases I would like to share with you guys, which was rehabilitated using the 3D printing technology. We used the patient's CBCT scans for designing an implant which would serve as an artificial replacement of her entire maxilla and ultimately would serve as a support to give the teeth the patient needed. Implant surgery was executed by Dr. J.B. Garde, oral surgeon, and his team in the Chintamani Hospital, Pune. 3D printing technology is relatively new and is emerging in this era of digitalization quite rapidly and also gaining popularity in the medical sector. We as doctors really are grateful to implement this technology in our practices by making such life-changing transformations. Implant designing and teeth fixation part was done by Dr. Harsh Sawant, MDS Prosthodontics.